Hello my beautiful KK family. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day today. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make Dollar Tree picture frames work in two different ways for a farm style decor that would go perfect with any style in your house. And the second look is actually going to be a great way for a centerpiece at a wedding. So if you are new to my channel and want to be a part of the KK family, just hit that subscribe and notification button so you don't miss a video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. In order to get this look today, we are going to need 4x6 picture frames. We're going to need 4 of them. You can also do a 5x7 picture frame if you want a bigger box. We're also going to be needing a paintbrush. This is a very old paintbrush where the bristles are hard and rough because I want that rustic beat up look. I don't want it to look fresh and clean. We're also going to be needing white paint, hot glue, and a hot glue gun. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take the picture out of the picture frame in the back and discard because we will not be using that. Afterwards, if your glass comes out of your frame, we're going to glue that in there. But if the glass does not come out the frame, then that's perfect. You do not have to do this step, you can skip it. So we're just gonna hot glue the glass to the frame so that way it does not come out. And if your little kid would like to push on it, the glass will not fall and cut them and break. It'll securely stay in place. Okay, so now we're going to put our box together, and what you want to do is put a straight line on the edge of your frame. And then you're going to do another straight line on the other edge of your next frame. And you're going to piece them together. Once you piece them together, we're going to put more hot glue down the center so it continue to keep its hold together, and just press firmly and hold for a second until it stays. And we're just going to repeat that process until we have our box. It's not going to be perfect the first time, just hold it until it dries, because if you don't, it will fall down. So this is what your box should look like once we have glued it together. And next we're just going to take our old rusted paintbrush and dip it in some white paint and begin to paint our box. Now, as you can see here, I'm not painting it perfect or beautifully. I'm actually painting it, and once the paint starts to semi-dry, I take the rough brush and just constantly going up and down to make it look distorted. I didn't want a clean, perfect look. I wanted more of that rustic, old, antique look for this, and that's why I'm going to just constantly go over it. And I think a rough brush that's like super hard and old was perfect for this because it came out to make it look like that old antique box. If you also want to paint the inside of the box white, which I did not do in this video, you can also do that before you hot glue it together. But I didn't want to paint the inside of the box because I wanted the inside to look black. So we're just going to continue to paint the entire box until it has that rustic old farm style look to it that I want. If you don't want to paint it like that, you can paint it any color you would like, and if you want a fresh clean paint job, then just use a new brush and not an old beat up brush. So once you're done, we're just going to put some candles in there and make it look like a candle shadow box, and it's perfect to sit up on a shelf or on a dining room table. Okay, for this second look, I'm just cleaning the glass because I realized that there was some paint on it, but you're going to put pictures that you like into the frame and secure them with the back of the frame. And that's pretty much it. Then you're going to put the flowers that you desire inside the top of the box. This look is perfect as a centerpiece at weddings or just to put on your table as a beautiful centerpiece. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button down below and give us a huge like. And I hope you really enjoyed this video, and see you in our next video.